All right, you guys, let's talk about how to buy a Chinese 50cc scooter online, from the process of purchasing it and all the way to the end of delivery. First, let's stop and think about what we're buying. Chinese scooters are not the highest quality on the market, but they are the cheapest. So you do get what you pay for. By no means you are buying a European or a Japanese level quality scooter. All right, so let's get started. You're buying this because you're looking for some transportation, and it's the cheapest way to get around right now, having a motor under you. Now, 50cc scooters, you guys check first the legal requirements in your state to drive legally a 50cc scooter or a 150 in your area. So you want to start with that. Now, once you decide, okay, everything's okay, you understand what you're getting into, then let's start the process by going on Google. Now, first, I always recommend going to a local dealer, meaning a store, an actual physical store where you can walk into and buying your scooter. Why? Because there's always a warranty behind it. You have someone to go to in case you have issues, because they do have issues, you guys. Even out of the box, they do. And also, the bikes are turnkey. You can walk in there, and depending on the state you're in, they do the paperwork for you, and then you drive off. So you want to type in Google, Chinese scooter dealer near me. That usually will pop up something near you or within your vicinity. Now, if you don't find anything, then go Chinese scooter dealer online. Now, you'll have on the first page some of the big major online dealers, you guys, that have been around for a while. Some of them are just an office. Some of them are a shop that sells online and drop ships. So now your job to do is to vet these companies. I always recommend choose the company of your choice. If you guys want any suggestions, I'll be glad to help you. If you come up with a certain company, I'll share you my opinion on those companies. So you're going to find some online companies. Now, make sure that you contact them. Make sure you confirm pricing. Confirm also the warranty and damage in case there's any issues. Now, what you're going to do is when you purchase online, you guys, you're going to receive it in a crate in a box. Partial assembly is required. They usually come about 75% pre-assembled. So you are responsible 100% to assemble. So make sure that you have the proper tools to assemble your scooter. Sometimes some of these online dealers have an agreement with the supplier, and they'll have them pre-assembled. Now, the top dealers right now for cheap Chinese scooters, you guys, would be Tao, would be number one. They've been around the longest. As well as you have iSpare, and then you have a company called Vitashi, and then a little bit more premium line would be BMS. Again, I'm going to remind you, again, that you're not getting the same quality as a Japanese or European bike, but again, you're not paying that much. So do these last long? They do. Depends on how well you maintain your scooter. Do you keep it indoors? Do you cover it up? What is the climate that you own this? How you ride it? So all these different factors will reflect how long they'll last you, the performance of your new scooter. So once you figure this out, you guys, so you'll order it online. If you don't have a local dealer, you'll order it online. Do your buy. You confirm from the company the warranty. The warranty is so important. How is it going to work? If it's delivered damage, how is it going to happen? What happens after you receive it? You notice some damage on it. Who pays for the replacement parts, the shipping? Clarify all this. Read the terms and conditions before you click the final buy button on there. And, you move ahead. Now, it'll usually take anywhere from 3 days, depending where you're located, to about a week to 2 weeks to receive the bike. Now, these companies that I mentioned, they have warehouses around the country, so they generally will ship the bike out. Stick to the online companies that have been around for the longest. Read all their reviews. And again, I'm not going to suggest any of the companies out there, but when you type in online 50cc scooter dealers near me or online scooters for sale, you will find companies on the first page. They've generally been around the longest. Again, if you want any suggestions, just place it below on the comment box. So once you set it up, you guys, if you decide to do your own assembly, sometimes it takes a little time to prime the bike. Sometimes there's some warranty issues. You could follow my playlist have tons of videos on servicing all the Chinese scooters, diagnosing Chinese scooters, even out of the box. Sometimes there are wires that are cut or broken, and sometimes they're defaulting carburetors. So expect this. Now, this happens quite a bit, but sometimes it doesn't happen. You may just have a seamless purchase where you break it out of the box, you do your assembly, and you put some gas in it, and it primes right away. That's a perfect situation, but most of the time it's not. So be ready for that when it's not. But go to my playlist on my YouTube channel here, and you'll find a lot of videos on servicing, maintaining, and what to expect when you do purchase online. So hopefully this helps you guys out there. So there's less frustrations out there, but when you do shop online, clarify with the online company before you press that buy button. Get a hold of them, confirm all the terms and conditions, get clarity on parts. A lot of the parts will be shipped from Taotao, for instance, or Hitachi or iSpare. So what the online company does, if there is a warranty issue, they'll pass it on to the supplier, you guys, and the supplier will ship you the parts, because most of the online companies either work out of an office, so they don't carry parts whatsoever, or they may be a shop that drop ships online as well, and they may have a few parts in their store, in their shop. A lot of them will have minimal parts, so they will have to send the warranty to the supplier to have the supplier. Now, keep in mind, the terms and conditions will tell you whether you're responsible to pay at least for the shipping or the entire warranty part. So make that clear before you hit that buy button. So like, comment, and subscribe. Hopefully this helps you guys out before you do your next buy, or you're new to the Chinese market. Again, they're not the same quality as the Japanese or European brands, you guys, but they'll put some transportation under you and get you to and from. And as long as you maintain them, they will last you a few years. And we'll see you guys on the next video. Take care.